And then in here, we already have the total number of students. So we need to find the total number for the ratio. We need to find the total number for 25 and 30. In here, we can directly plus them. So we will have 28. So in here, we will have 48, sorry. So 48 will be equals to 240. So I can find the one. I can divide everything by 48. So later I will have that one. It will be equals to 5. And then for the boy, there are 23 students. So it will be 23 times 5, which is equals to 115 students. Is there anyone who get confused at question 1? I mean at the question 1A, is there anyone who get confused? No, right? I think most of you, yeah, most of you already answered it correctly, the question 1A. Now for the question 1B, one day there are 15 students absent, 15 boys and also 15 girls. In here, we need to find the new ratio when some of the students are absent. So you need to find the number of the boys and also the number of the girls. In here, we already have the number of the boys. So to find the number of girls, you can just subtract them, 240 minus 115. Or if you are going to use the ratio using 25 times 5, it's also okay. And it says that 15 students, 15 girls are absent, 15 boys are absent. So it means I need to subtract everything by 15. 115 minus 15, it will be equals to 100. And then 125 minus 15, it will be equals to 110. And please read the question properly. It says girls to boys. Some of you answer it boys to girls. Oh my god, is my screen dark?
No, teacher.
No,
Teacher, it's black
okay.
now.
It's because in my side it's suddenly black.
Okay, it's suddenly black also now.
Wait, okay, let me continue then. In here, we need to find the ratio for girls to boy. Some of you answer it like boys to girls. So we already have the number of the girls. It will be 110. And then the numbers of the boys, it will be 100. Because the question is asking in the simplest form. So it means you have to simplify it. I can cancel all the zero in here. So it will be only 11 to 10. Is there anyone who have any confusion at the question 1B before I continue to the next question? Is there anyone having any question? Or am I lost or anything? Suddenly all of your videos are buffering. Hello? Okay. So it means the difference is 2. When the difference is 2, we can use the 2 will be equals to 600. So it means 1, it will be equals to 300. So for the number, for the money that Ali will receive, it will be 2,700, while Mo, she will get 2,100. Is there anyone having any difficulties or getting confused so far? Or maybe my explanation is confusing? Is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone? Everything clear? Yeah? Okay, is everything clear enough? I will move to the question B. Feel free to ask me whenever you have any difficulties, Loya. Do not keep being quiet because I cannot see all of your face. I just can't I
Teacher,
just
question
can
B.
uh-huh. Yes, B.
Teacher, discuss question A or B?
B. Now I'm going to continue to the question B. B. Now I'm going to question B. I just discussed the question A. Yeah. Okay, because I just can see like 9 students expression. I cannot directly see all of you because if I see directly all of you, my slide will be covering with all of your face. So please let me know if you have any difficulties. In a sale, Ali buys a television for $195.8, and then the original price is $220. We need to find the percentage reduction. Before finding the percentage reduction, we can find the how much is the reduction in the dollar first. How to find it? You
Teacher,
can, yes,
bukannya
Kristen.
24.2.
Sorry. Oh yeah, 24.2. Sorry, I make a. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. It's supposed to be 24.2. The answer is supposed to be 11, yeah. 24.2. Yeah, it's supposed to be 24.2. Sorry for the wrong typing, but the answer I think it's correct, 24.2, or maybe I make a wrong calculation. Let me check.
24.2
Yeah.
jadi 11%, teacher.
11%. Okay, thank you. It's supposed to be 11%. Thank you so much. Is there anyone having any question? Sorry for the, yeah, wrong counting. Is there anyone having any question? Or maybe I make any mistake also? Is there anyone having any question? No?
No, teacher.
Okay. If you have no question, then I will move to the next question. Please let me know whenever you have any difficulties. Do not keep being quiet. In here at the question C, Mo buys a jacket for $600. It's already reduced by 25% from the original. And now our job, we need to find the original price. So in here, because it's already get reduction for 25%, so it means the $63, it will be equals to the 75%. So if 75% is equals to $63, it means later for finding the original one, we can find the 100%. For finding the 100% in here, I use the unitary method. So I divide everything by 3 first. After I divide everything by 3, so later on I will multiply it by 4. That's why I will get 100%. If you use different method, it's okay, because for the ratio and also proportion and also percentage, you can use like using the multiplier, you can using the unitary method, you can change it into a fraction. There are so many ways that you can use. As long as the answer is $84, it will be okay. Is there anyone having any confusion or get confused with my steps? Maybe is there anyone who get confused? No confusion? For sure? For sure, no. Okay. If you have no confusion, I will move to the next slide for the question 3. Now, for the question 3 in here, we already have a cuboid made of a brass, and then we also have the measurement or the dimension for the cuboid, and we also have the weight. So later for finding the density, we'll just do mass divided by volume. So the mass in here is already given 204 gram, but for the volume, we don't have the volume yet. So it means we need to find the volume first. Because this is cuboid, it will be length times width times height. So it will be 4 times 2 times 3, which is equals to 24 centimeter cube for the volume. So later, if we are going to find the density, it will be 204 divided by 24. So the answer, it will be 8.5 gram per centimeter cube. Is there anyone having any confusion? In here, I already have the mark scheme. If you have the volume correct, it will be 1 mark. If until the density is correct, in total, you will be having 2 marks. Something like that for the mark mark scheme. If you have any confusion, please let me know. No confusion, yeah? For sure? For sure, no confusion? Okay. If you have no confusion, then I will continue to the question 4. Oh yeah, it's okay. Yeah, usually in maths IGCSE, the unit mostly will be given by the Cambridge paper. So like the unit will not be really matters if in Cambridge checkpoint. If physics, the unit you have to find it by yourself. But if in maths, the unit will be given. So yeah, usually you just need to write the number only. The place for the answer, it will be blank blank blah 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 gram per centimeter cube. The unit usually already given, so it's okay if you do not write the unit in maths. But if in a physics or in another subject, I think you will need to write the unit. Okay, I will move to the next question 4. For the question 4 in here, we already have the ingredient for making 20 biscuit. For making 20 biscuit in here, you will need 260 gram of butter, 500 gram of sugar, 650 of flour, and then 425 gram of rice. So in here, because the question I just asking for the number of butter needed to make 35 biscuit, so you just need to find the ratio for the butter. So it means for 20 biscuit, I will need 260 gram of butter. In here, I will just simplify the ratio. I will divide everything by 4. So that's why I get 5 is equals to 65 in here, because I divide everything by 4. And then in here, later after that, I can find the 35 by multiply everything by 7. That's why in here, I will be needing 450 gram of butter. Is there anyone who get confused at question for A1? Is there anyone? No? Okay. If no one have no confusion, then I will move to the question 2. Michelle has 2 kilogram of each ingredient. Work out the greatest number of the biscuit that he can make. Because in here, we have the 2 kilogram of... Yes, Michael?
No, teacher. I just
Oh,
said you said
oh, okay then.
he, but your answer is she.
Oh, okay. So in
Teacher,
here... Huh?
I use the unitary method, so I not use like only accurate. I make accurate biscuits, teacher. So
Oh, okay.
61.
Yeah, it will be 60 something. Yeah. I will let it okay still. Okay, so in here, I will use the receipt, the number of receipt in here. So in here, because we have to find the greatest number of the biscuit, so we need to check from this ingredient, among these 4 ingredient, with ingredient that will use most gram or most measurement in here. The one that needing most gram is the 650 gram of butter. So we can directly just check for the number of butter. But if you want to check it one by one, it's also okay. So in here, for 600 gram of butter, we can make it into 20 biscuit. So if 2 kilogram, it will be equals to 2000 gram. So it means it will be about 3 recipe. So he can make 60 biscuit. Or if you want to make into a unitary method, so you do 200 divided by 650, then times it with 20. The answer, it will be more than 60. It's still okay. I will let you do it like that. Yeah, because the question did not mention it properly. It depend on the receipt, or you can use any. Usually the even in the Cambridge also, the people will give range. If your answer is among this and this, it will be correct. So if you answer it 60 or more than 60
Teacher,
using like unitary, yes.
why
Yes.
does it say 650 grams of butter for 20 biscuits? Supposed to be flour, right?
Oh, it's floor. Oh, yeah. Sorry, sorry. It's supposed to be floor. Okay, then. Thank you, thank you. It's supposed to be floor. Okay, thank you. Is it only?
Yes,
Or is
teacher.
there? Yeah. Okay, then. Sorry for the typing. Okay. Is there anything else that you need to clarify more? So, if example you get the answer as maybe 61 biscuit, it's also okay. Even in the Cambridge also, they will be giving like a range for the answer. Yeah. Okay. Is there anyone having any
Teacher, what if
question?
we just estimated, teacher?
Yeah, so it will be like 61, right?
So, yeah, it's around 60.
Yeah, it will be like, if you use like the unitary method, it will be 61 biscuit. If you answer it 60, also okay. But cannot be in a fraction for the biscuit. It will be confusing for in a, yeah. Okay. No one have no confusion? Okay. No confusion? Okay. If you have no confusion, then I will move to another question. If you did a different working, it's okay, because I told you for fraction, for ratio, it will be the method, it will be varied. You can use the fraction method, you can use the unitary method, or you can divide or multiply with the numbers given for the ratio. So the method will be varied. In here, I just show the steps in here that I think for me is easy to use. Okay, I will move to the question for B. For the question for B, a company makes this biscuit at the cost for 1.35 per.
Question for Ace.
Oh,
Number
you
three.
want to? Sorry, sorry.
Can
You
you go back to question 4A, number 3? I haven't seen it yet.
question 83. Oh, there is a question 83. Yeah. Wait, wait. Did I? I think I deleted the question. Yeah, I think I deleted. Okay. Can you tell me what is the question at the 483?
Don't have, teacher.
Don't have, right? Don't have, yeah. Don't have don't have only A1 and A2, Steve. It's only for A1 and for A3. Do you or did I in the Google Classroom yesterday I post the old paper, or because before the test I changed some of the question, I reduced the question. I'm afraid if we have not enough time. That's why, yeah, in the very first one, I made for A1, 2, 3, but in the test, I think it's only for A1 and A2, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, if you have no question, I will move to the question for B. A company makes this biscuit at the cost of 1.35 per packet. These biscuits are sold for 1.89 per packet. So in here, we have to find the percentage profit. To find the percentage profit, you can just find the difference between the selling price and also the cost for making the uh, packet for the biscuit. So in here for the profit, it will be $0.54. So for finding the percentage profit, you can just do 0.54 per 1.35 times 100%. It will be 72.9%.
Teacher, it's not. I don't think it's 72.9, teacher.
Is it, or did
The
okay? Let me.
0.54 is not even half of
Oh
135, teacher.
yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, wait. Let me check the calculation. I think I make okay 1.35 times 100. Let me check it. Oh yeah, it's only 40. Yeah. Okay, okay. Sorry, I don't know why I type it as 72.9. Yeah, it's 40. Sorry, sorry. Okay, later I will check it again for the chapter wise test, the marks. So now at least you can try to count how much did you get, and later if maybe when I share the marks through the Google Classroom is slightly different with the one that you try to count now, you can tell me by giving a private comment on it. Yeah, because the question only asking the profit, it's supposed to be only 40, not 140. If you write as 140, I can give you like a half marks. Yeah, but actually in the Cambridge later on there will be no a half marks. It's supposed to be one or two or three. But yeah, at least I know all of your steps, so it's still okay for if you write 140, you will be getting a half marks only. Okay, is there anyone having any question or get confused maybe? Is there anyone? No? No confusion? Okay. If you have no confusion, then I will move to the next question. Okay. For the next question, wait, my slide is not moving yet. Yeah, for the question 5, Fatima buys a city bike which has a price of $120. She pays for 600% of the price, and then she pays $10 for 6 months. So I need to find the 600% of 120 first. It will be $72. And then because she said that she pays $10 for 6 months, so it means the 72, I will plus it with 6 times 10 for $6 for sorry $10 for 6 months. It will be 6 times 10, so it will be in total will be $132. And then for the question A2, work out your answer in the part A1 as the percentage of the original price. So in here we have 132 is how many percent of 120. So it will be 132 per 120, we multiply it by 100%. The answer is 110%. Is there anyone who get confused, or maybe I make a wrong calculation or anything? No? Is there anyone?
No, teacher.
Okay, if no, I will move to the next question then if you have no question. Okay, for the question B in here, Fatima and Muhammad are members of a school team which takes part in the bike ride for a charity. Fatima and Muhammad ride in a total for 36 kilometer. The distance of 36 kilometer is only 2 per 23 all of the total distance. So to find the total distance, it will be 32 divided by 2 per 3. So it will be 368 kilometer. Is there anyone having any question, or maybe I make a wrong calculation also in here? Is there anyone?
Why?
Oh, oh sorry.
Why is it 32?
Oh, 36, yeah. My God. Okay, thank you. It's supposed to be 36. Okay, so the answer will be wrong. Okay, then later I will recheck again for checking your chapter wise test.
414 teacher the answer.
How many?
414.
414. Okay, then. Is there anyone having any question or anything? Is there anyone? How many? 414?
Teacher, the other method is also okay, right?
Yeah, if you use like how many? 20?
1 equals 18.
Yeah, something like 1 is equals to 18. Oh, yeah, you divide by 2. Okay, correct. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
yeah. Okay, is there anyone having any question so far? Or maybe I make a typo or any wrong calculation again or anything? No? No, no question for sure. Okay, if you have no question, let us move to the next question. In here we have, where is it? Okay, for the question A, there are three types of the ticket. For the question 6, wait, is it? Yeah, correct. For the question 6A, there are three types of the tickets: economy, business, and also the first class. We already have the ratio for the price of the tickets, which is 2 to 5 to 9. We already have the price for the business ticket is equals to 2,350. Because the business, the ratio is 5, that's why I write 5 is equals to 2,350. And then I find the 1 it will be equals to 470. So for the first class, the ratio is 9. So 470, I will multiply it by 9. It will be 4,230 for the first class ticket. Is there anyone who get confused, or maybe I type the number in a wrong number again? Is there anyone having any difficulties? No?
No,
No?
teacher.
Okay. Now for the question B, work out the price of an economy ticket as the percentage for the first class ticket. So it means the economy, we have to compare it with the first class. In here, you don't have to find for the numbers for the price for each ticket. But if you want to find the price for each ticket, also okay. But in here, I will just use the ratio only, because later if you even after you find the price for each ticket, when you simplify later it will be equals to 2 per 9 still. That's why in here I take 2, because the ratio for the economy is 2, and then the ratio for the first class is 9. That's why it will be 2 per 9 times 100%, which is equals to 22.2%. Yeah, for the price. Is there anyone having any question? Is there anyone having any question, or did I type in the number in a wrong way?
No, teacher.
Okay, because it says the economy ticket as the percentage of the first class. That's why the top one will be economic, not the first class. Yeah, okay. It's because it said the economy class as the percentage of the first class. It means, yeah, if you write it as 22%, it's okay, because the question did not say anything, but it will be better later on. For the percentage, you keep one decimal place. More significant figures, it will be like more better for the Cambridge IGCSE later on. So usually if angle and also percentage, you will keep in a one decimal place, it will be better. But if you write it as 22, it's also okay, because the question did not mention anything. Okay, I will move to the next one, to the last question. No, not yet. In here we have for the 6B, the price of the business ticket for the same journey with another airlines is 2,240. This is the price for the business ticket. And then this is the price of the first class ticket is 70 more than the business ticket. It says 70 more than. So I can say that I can make the business ticket as a 100%. So after that, because it says 70% more, it means for the first class, it will be 100 plus 70. That's why I write it as 170%. The 170%, when I change it into a fraction, it will be 170 per 100 times with 2,240. So I will get $3,808 for the first class ticket. Is there anyone who get confused? or maybe I calculate in a wrong way, or maybe I type the number in a wrong way again, or anything? Yeah, if you use the
For good.
multiplier, yes, if you use the multiplier for the 170%, you can write it with 1.7. That's why I told you for the ratio and also percentage, there are so many ways. So you can use a different way as long as the answer is the same, it's okay. Because there are so many different way, I cannot show all the different way on the slide. So I just show one way in here. But if you use a different way, it's okay. Yes, Crystal, what did you say before? You were asking me something before? No? Okay. For the question B2, the price of the business ticket is 180% more than an economy ticket. So in here, we will have the, because it says 180 more. So the original one is 100. 100 plus 180, it will be equals to 280%. Right? So the, yes,
Wrong calculation.
am I make any wrong calculation or anything?
For 100 per 280 times 2,240, it's supposed to be $800.
$800 is okay. Okay, let me check it again. Maybe I make a wrong calculation also, because sometimes I type the numbers wrong in the calculator. That's why we need to check. Yeah, 800. Okay, thank you then. Thank you, Crystal. It's correct. It's supposed to be $800. Yeah. So it means I press the number in the calculator in a wrong way. Thank you. Is there anyone having any different, maybe teacher I wrote, wait, or wait, let me check it again. 100%, it will be 100 per 280 times 2, yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to be 800. The correct one is supposed to be 800. Wait, let me try 800 times with 2.8. Yeah, the correct answer is supposed to be $800, not 1,244.44. It's, yeah, it's 180% more. The original one is 100, right? The original one is 100. So in here, I will say that the economy ticket is a 100%. The economic ticket is 100%. So the economy is 100%. And then it says for the business ticket is 180% more than the economy one, right? The economy is the 100%, so it will be 100 plus with 180, which is equals to 280%. This is the correct answer. That's why maybe I type the 280 into 180. That's why I get 1,244.4. Is there anyone have any confusion or get confused in here? Is there anyone having any confusion? Hello?
No, teacher.
For sure, no confusion? Okay.
No confusion.
Okay, if you have no confusion, I think, yeah, we already done, yeah, with all of the discussion, or is there anything left? We already done, right, with all the chapter wise test discussion? Yeah.
Done.
Okay. Okay. Is there anyone having any question? No? Okay. If no one have no discussion, I think that's all for today's class. Good morning and thank you, students.